Good morning, YouTube. I know it's been a long time. Cold start. Good morning, YouTube. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I've obviously changed my Mt09 exhaust to an aftermarket. So I have no bloody idea if you guys can hear me or not, because I can't even hear myself. It's loud, but wow, it's refreshing. Woohoo! Today I'm out for a solo ride. It's been a while, a very long time since I'm out on a Sunday morning doing a solo ride. So I don't really have any plans on where I want to go. But wow, this exhaust, wow. So it's when I first got the exhaust, right, I had difficulties in terms of my eardrum was fucking hurting until I had a migraine for like 2 days because of the exhaust. So I ordered some earplugs online, which I've not received, by the way. So meanwhile, I just thought I'd put some cotton in my ear, which helps a lot. So there's that. The roads are a little bit wet, so I gotta be a little bit careful. Mixed together with the dew, it can be very, very dangerous. What the fuck, guys? Look at all the fucking cyclists. What the fuck? Are they having a race or what? One too many cyclists. One too many cyclists. We're in the heart of KL city center right now, also known as Leboh Ampang, the old part of KL, if some of my viewers didn't already know. Alright, light is red, I shall stop. Oh my god, it's dead here, guys, dead. On a Sunday morning, it's approximately 8:20 in the morning, and there's nobody here. And I really don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but yeah, it is what it is. Going on with the cyclists now, but they can't do this. I can. Haha! Is that a dead pigeon? Yeah, I think it is a dead pigeon. is a very, very beautiful morning. Wow. Sun is shining, roads are clear. Beautiful, just beautiful. And that guy's smoking me. This is Pavilion. And above men running. Pavilion, where people come to shop, to buy things, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hello YouTube. So recently I've started riding again, and I got carried away and I put on a pipe, and well, it's the best decision I've made so far about my bike. I'm absolutely enjoying this pipe. Well, it says Akrapovic over there, but as everyone knows, there are only two types of Akrapovic pipes for the Mt09, which is the carbon and titanium, and this is none of it. So this is a third party, made in China Akrapovic pipe, which is 1/3 of the price. It's a stainless steel pipe, and you just put on a muffler in there, and yeah, I'm loving every second of it. And I'll just give you guys a sound of it. Here goes. Oh, it's on. Gotta put it in neutral. There we go. It's not really a cold start, the bike is warmed up, but yeah. Loud, isn't it? I don't really wanna really get the revs in there, might upset the neighbors around here, but I'm just gonna hop on.